We'll do the extended triangle posture. Bring your foot 3.5, 4 foot apart. Right foot in, left foot out. Bend your left leg. Inhale, arm shoulder level. Inhale, as you exhale, bring your hands down. Inhale, as you exhale, bring your hands over your head. Turn your head and look at your arms. Inhale, come up. Left foot in, right foot out. Bend your knee. Bring your hands down. Inhale, as you exhale, arms over your head. Turn your head and look at your arms. Inhale, come up. Bring your feet together.